What is real love? Very good question. That means there is some unreal love. Therefore, there's a consideration of what is real love. Yes, let's consider what is real love. Love is actually an energy that is there in everyone's heart. This energy actually brings each other together. For example, when we are in love, we become together. Love brings us together. Hatred separates us. So this love is actually an energy that is there with the soul. And the soul has this inherent desire, inherent tendency to become connected to others. And actually, this energy in the soul is meant to connect us to the Supreme Lord, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. That is the purpose of this love. But when we are oblivious of Him, when we are forgetful of Him, then we try to offer this love to others, of trying to exploit others, use them for our enjoyment. And in the name of love, that is what is going on in this world today. That's why I made that point. Unreal love. These are not real love, although people think that this is love. But you know actually what it is? It is lust. Lust is the tendency to utilize others for our own sense enjoyment. Like for example, you can say, well, the mother loves her child. But the thing is, the mother loves her child because the child came from her. Therefore, she has her connection. Therefore, she thinks that she has a connection with him. The mother loves her own child, but she doesn't love other people's child. She doesn't feel the same way about others. And what to speak of a young boy and a young girl falling in love? And actually, what is the ultimate consideration? The ultimate consideration is actually how we are going to enjoy each other, how we are going to exploit each other. Frankly speaking, in this world, what is going on in the name of love is actually lust. But real love is when it is offered to the Lord. When we offer to the Lord, then what happens? We become completely content. The heart becomes completely satisfied because now the love has been offered, now the love has been reposed onto the real recipient of love. So in simple words, I will say that real love is love for the Supreme Lord, love for the Supreme Personality of Godhead.